Important tools are a C-clamp, 19mm socket wrench, screwdriver. The other stuff just help make cleaning of the brake area easy. So go ahead and you want to break down the tire, jack up the vehicle, block the tires, and go ahead and remove the tire. And then you're going to want to turn the steering wheel so that the caliper is facing you. It makes it easier to work on the brake pads. I like to put a drip pan there because we're going to be cleaning and scraping some rust off, and it can collect everything that falls from there. Now here I got this brake parts cleaner. Go ahead and spray it all over, kind of clean out the outside. Alrighty, and then I like to go in and get some WD-40 because this is pretty rusted on this truck. I'm going to kind of spray the bolts a bit to make them a bit loose or easier to loosen. Here's my 19mm socket wrench. I'm going to loosen but not remove the top bolt, only loosen it. Then the bottom bolt, I'm going to completely remove the bottom so I can slide the caliper up. Set the bolt to the side, remember where you put it. Now you can slide the caliper up and you can replace the pads this way without completely removing the caliper. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my screwdriver and pry these off. This one's rusted pretty bad. This one slid right off. Now this back side is a little more difficult. It was kind of stuck because of the rust. So I ended up kind of spraying some WD-40 right at the ends of the brake pad. It made it a little bit more lubricated and allow it to slide off easier because it was kind of seized up from rust. Now here, comparing both new and old. Alright, now right here I'm kind of cleaning the rust off. There's some corroded parts of metal on there. I need to clean that up so the clamps will slide in easier. Slide in one pad. I'll take the other one, slide it in. Kind of need to use a screwdriver to get it to pop into the brackets. Alright, now I'm taking my C-clamp and I want to compress the plungers of this caliper back into place so I'll have enough room to slide the caliper over the new shoes. Before I do this, I like to open up the lid to the brake reservoir under the hood just to give it some airflow. Spray it off, and now it's pretty rusty on this one, so I'm taking a wire brush and cleaning the inside of the caliper. Brushing off some of that rust, scraping it off. And then spraying it some more with the brake cleaner. Now just slide the caliper right back in place. Put the bolt in place. Take my 19mm, go ahead and tighten them both down. And you're pretty much done. Go ahead and spray it off, make sure it's nice and clean. Clean off all the debris. Then go ahead and turn your wheel back in place. Then go ahead and put the tire back on. See, it's quick and simple, easy job. Premium brake shoes only cost me $48. Cheaper ones are like 28 bucks. And then this took me about 40 minutes to do. This would cost you probably about $300 or $400 if you took it into a shop.